everyone. Welcome to House Life Coach, the podcast of the Philippines chapter of the International Coaching Federation, where we bring meaningful, real, and inspiring conversations with coaches. So, in this episode, we sit down with our featured coach for a thoughtful conversation about their coaching journey, insights, interesting lessons learned, or favorite lessons from the field, and human stories that continue to shape their practice. Come and meet Coach Leia Ongson. Hi, Coach
Ha-
Leia.
Hi, Makay.
How's life going?
Hello. I'm good,
Oh,
Makay.
good, very good. Nice. It's always nice to hear coaches saying they're good, di ba? Yeah, right. Okay, so how long have you been coaching, Leia? If I may ask.
Uh, by now, ano
Without
na?
without
Yeah,
revealing the age.
of course, sure. 11 years. Ano na ako? 11 years.
Wow.
I'm reckoning it against the when I started the formal coaching certification. So, yun yung clear sa akin. So, definitely, yeah, 11 years na by now.
Wow, ganun na, katagal. So, how did you start as a coach?
Mm. How did I start, no?
From what,
Siguro sa
I'm
mm.
sorry, Leia, from what industry are you from?
I started off, I'm in a manufacturing, no?
Oh, wow.
Manufacturing industry ako. Yan, I started there.
Nice.
And when I entered the manufacturing, industry, uh, I was a package engineering. So that's the closest engineering na na-apply ko because my background is siguro pag tinatanong ako Makay, no, my background is chemical engineer ako. But I didn't get to 100% fully apply that pagka if I'm asked. I'm not saying na frustration, but it's okay, though. Pero at least closest, no? I started off my career as a package engineer. Then later on, it evolved, no? It evolved and I ended up a supply chain practitioner na. Kasi doon nag-evolve yung company, they redesigned the business model. So that's why I got to experience the whole the whole slew of supply chain from production planning, material inventory, distribution, even
Wow.
purchasing yan. So that's the whole
Yeah.
discipline ng supply chain.
And how many years was that? Were you in the business in that?
Combined, no? Kasi it's in the same company. I spent 21 years in the company. But my last 3 years, it's a kind of break from the supply chain, but I would say na under the supply chain discipline pa din kasi I was transferred to the head office
Mhm.
and I was under the marketing division. But it's still a supply chain related work, no? So demand planning, product line control, that was my line of work in the last 3 years before I kind of volunteered my own retirement. Yan. And yun na yun. Doon na nagsimula, Makay.
Oh, that's so interesting. Yung mundo ng supply chain and all of that, being a chemical engineer at that, no? So how did you become a coach?
Ayan. So siguro sa akin nga, Makay, I would say, providence, no?
Mhm.
Pagka tanongin mo ko na parang what led me or if I'm gonna describe my coaching journey, no? So providence. Kasi ako lang personally, I believe and trust that I am placed with where I should be. Yun
Yeah.
lang, no? Kasi there are a lot of times kasi Makay, di ba, I would say na there would be, I have many questions then for myself sa life ko, no? But I realized that I don't have the answers for all of it. Yeah.
Mhm.
And sabi ko nga at times din, di ba, parang there will always be uncertainty. Diba? I think makaka-relate ka dyan, Makay, no? When we're
Mhm.
now when we have our coaching
Yes.
clients, di ba? Minsan yan ang pinagdadaanan nila. So, I think that's what I kind of parang shifted my mindset to in the
Mhm.
sense that it's easy for us to think na okay, I'll just start giving my best when I get this break, when I get this time, or I will start in the perfect time. But there's no such thing, no? Kaya dun pumasok yung mindset ko na yun that I would just believe and trust that I am placed where I should be. And with
Mhm.
that, yun ang pinanghahawakan ko Bakay, no? So in my mind though, wherever I am right now, wherever I am placed, then that's exactly the place that I can, live out to grow, to grow my practice, my faith, and all, the things that I believe in. So kaya tinagamit ko dito na term is really providence. Kasi nga, sabi ko, wala naman akong sagot sa lahat eh. So I just have to rely on my faith at the end of the day.
So in
Mm.
that sense, what particular skill you think you already have that maybe pushed you to continue on? I mean, go into coaching and continue on. Like, siguro, like in some people, including me, mga tao pumupunta sa'yo, nagkukwento about their concerns, about their problems. Did you have that as well?
Yeah. Well, siguro Makay, I would not say exactly a skill talaga na related to coaching, no? But I would just say two things, no? More on relational.
Ah,
If we'll call that as a skill, no, relational skill. Kasi I would not, ano, diba? I would not pretend that I know coaching during that time. And
yeah.
definitely I grew up also in an era wherein we're used being told and I'm used telling people as well, diba? So I think it's really more on the relational and at the same time something about ano my desire to help other people.
There it
Kasi
is.
ay, yun ang hindi ko naikwento Makay, di ba? I had a short stint before I went into the manufacturing industry na, no? I used to teach, no? But ano lang, very short period lang yon. So teaching, and in my mind, is a helping profession because
Yep.
I just really want to help people. So that's yun yung nakita ko parang growing up. I just love helping people, but in different forms. So I just
Yep.
really don't know then, di ba? Oh, paano ako nakakatulong no, no? So hindi ko alam, but just, I think those are the two things, no? Helping and at the same time, being able to relate with another person. Yun yung dala-dala ko lang.
Yeah,
Ah,
parang easy for you to relate to others or to different types of people.
yeah.
In
Well, may
easily
ganon,
relate.
may part na ganon. But of course, I wanna qualify that Makay, no? Not all, definitely, no? Kasi
Yeah, of
minsan
course.
nakikiramdam din naman ako. May mga tao din talaga. Kasi I think Makay, in one of our chit chats, di ba, nabanggit ko na rin sa'yo na nakikiramdam ako and at the same time, I just have that feeling, di ba? Pagka talagang alam ko na hindi ako align or I feel something na, and again, I know may bias yon, may impression yon, hindi ako magpe-pretend to. I will
Yeah.
not, I will not start building relationship kung alam ko naman na it kind of feels off for me. And that's me, no? I
Yeah.
know hindi ko sasabing to that will be right or 'di ba? But in my
Yeah.
mind lang, that's just how I I honor myself or that's how I am aware of myself. Kahit sa
Yeah.
iba, sa perspective ng iba, eh mali yun, Leia, di ba? You have to give chance to others. But yeah, minsan sinasabi ko sa sarili ko talaga na, okay, I'll just go with what I want, no? And what makes me
Yeah.
feel, at peace and at ease. Yan.
Oh, I like that. At peace and at ease. Kasi, yeah, that's very natural naman. I mean, hindi naman lahat tayo super perfect with everyone, di ba? So,
Agree.
I resonate with that in some ways, no? Right. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Now, nung pumasok ka na sa coaching, what was it that kept you in coaching?
Ayun
Or
na.
like
Kasi,
post
yeah.
about coaching?
Well, for one, definitely, I made the decision already when I kind of facilitated my own retirement in my mind, di ba? There's no turning back. But during the time, I will not pretend, to say na, oh, I already know what I'm gonna do. So that
Yeah.
time, I just opening myself up again to, opportunities. And the good thing there, and I'm sure narinig mo na rin ito, Makay, in your previous House Life Coach podcast, makukonect mo na kami ngayon. May mga tao talaga na, oh, mukhang yun ang naging source, di ba? So when I retired, it's the same company where I got to work with Jackie. And Jackie was the HR head of that same company. I'm in the manufacturing. Used to be, Jackie was there as well, but she also transferred to the head office. And it's the same year that when I decided to retire, it's the same year that Jackie retired also from the company. But she was ahead, I think mga 3 months before I retired. So she invited me, no? She invited me, oh Leia, what's your plan? Or typical me na, oh, I will not deny it. I just facilitated my retirement, but hindi ko naman prepared that long term, di ba? What I'm gonna do. So I'm also open to the possibility of going back to work again or whatever it is, no? Nasabi ko nga, babalik ako dun sa word ko na providence, di ba? Na kung saan ako dadalhin, parang I just want to cling on to that, the belief and the trust that I will be led somewhere that, I can again live out to grow my faith, my practice and all, no? So yeah, she invited me to join her kasi nga I'm one of the subject matter expert then in the manufacturing sa supply chain planning. So we get to work together. Parang siya yung business HR business partner, no? Ako yung parang ganun ang relationship namin, HR business partner type. And ako yung go-to in a way for planning. So
So it was more of
mahilig na rin ako mag-train ganyan. So pag naghahanap siya ng
there.
someone yan. So doon
Yeah.
nagsimula yon because I want to share what I know. That's part also of my helping, di ba? My
Mm,
desire to help is to impart my knowledge. So
mm,
again, imparting, kind of teaching, training.
mm,
So yun, she saw me there. Sabi niya, Olea, baka gusto mo na ano. Ay, ako naman, okay. Di ba parang yun ang ano ko eh, if I want to honor that, sabi ko nga Providence, di ba? I say yes and I make myself available. So yun
mm.
sa akin, I just really show up. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Yeah.
Yeah, and it sounds to me like you enjoyed that part of your life then.
Yes, oo. Kasi apart well, leading teams talaga because may operations eh, di ba? At the end of the day,
Mm,
may bottom line, may KPIs. But what I enjoy there as well is to be able to develop people. Yun, parang yun, nag-develop na pala ng people pero not necessarily in a coaching way. Siguro
mm,
more on the mentoring yung ginagawa kasi nag-download ka nung alam mo about the work, no? But yeah, pag come to think of it, if I look back, no, Makay, siguro
mm,
meron rin konting touch of coaching yun. Kasi at times, when I help people, we talk about life na eh. Hindi na, not necessarily work eh. Kasi you want to understand first what's happening to the person. Kasi lalo na pagka may mga performance issue, alam natin yan Makay, di ba? So
mm,
hindi naman kagad jumping into, okay, why am I not getting the result, di ba? It's also about understanding, di ba? What's happening to this person. So siguro may coaching na rin doon, but
mm,
definitely hindi pa ako trained noon and maybe the structure
mm,
and the process that I'm using is not something that's, formal,
mm,
nothing na structured
mm,
pa. Yun.
mm.
So yun yun. And natutuwa ako pa nakikita ko yung mga tao ko gets to be promoted.
Yes.
Tapos alam mo na yun, parang they're better than you are.
Oo.
Getting, nauuna na sila sa organization. Yeah, ang ganda ng pakiramdam. I would always say na parang, uy, para ako nagpag-graduate ulit ng anak ko. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero ibang anak na, 'di
Yeah,
ba? It's like your
true.
extended family. Yun.
Yeah, true, very true. So,
Yeah.
parang ito yung mga steps that led you, no?
Hmm.
That led you to go into coaching.
Yeah, siguro. Parang
Oh,
pagbabalikan ko na lang ngayon, Makay, no? Yeah,
yeah.
siguro yun yung parang sabi ko nga connection, no, in a way.
Yeah. So in a way, so now that you got the training now, no, so nag-training ka to really be a coach. What do you like about it?
Yan. Well, ano nga eh, sabi ko, iba talaga, no? Iba talaga when you got the formal education already. So, what really, parang stuck with me, no, Makay, to this day. And lagi kong knikling on yon because it's challenging, no? When you're in a coaching conversation, I will still catch myself na, lumalabas pa rin yung, minsan yung nakasanayan mo, di ba? But yeah, what keeps me grounded and I will always remind myself, it's not about me. No, it's not about me as the coach. But at the end of the day, it's really about the other person.
Yeah, the other
So that's why yun gumagaan yung pakiramdam ko because I'm not here to I'm not here to prove anything. I'm not here to perform. I'm not here to stand as an expert, no. Sinasabi rin naman natin yan pagka tinuturo ang coaching, 'di ba? So it's really about now believing, really truly believing in the other person. And again, sabi ko nga easier said than done yan, Makay, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Sabi ko nga on and off din ako diyan. At times I still catch myself like, am I really truly believing in this person, 'di ba? Bakit nag-iiba na naman yung ano ko, iba na naman yung stance ko, 'di ba?
yeah.
So I just really, I try to keep myself grounded, thinking about now that this is not about me as the coach, but it's the other person. It's me harnessing the wholeness and greatness in the other person. So yun. So how can I harness that, di ba? Paano ko i-harness ko if I really truly believe doon sa kagalingan ng tao na yon, di ba? Kaya I really resonate with that, yung empowering. If I may share with you, Makay, di ba?
Sure.
This is not my word, no? This is a co-created word that yung mga partners ko in Haraya Coaching right now, 'di ba? When we came up with this word na we call it the enlivening, no? So that word na enlivening,
Mhm.
uh nakakonect pa ako further doon. More than the empowering, it's really about the enlivening because there's something that we are enlivening in the other person, di ba? Based on their own context, based on their own experience. And it's not,
Where they're coming from.
yes, where they're coming from. And it's
Yes.
not me. It's not about
Yeah.
me as the coach.
Correct.
So yun yung, that's what I like most about coaching, Makay.
Enlivening, love. I love the word enlivening.
Mm.
Right? Nice, nice. So what has coaching taught you about human nature that
Ayan.
you may not
Oo.
have fully understood before you were a coach?
Dito parang siguro ano ko lang meron ako na encounter one time na parang kind of hindi man, it's not really a saying, no, but someone, di ko na ma-recall sino nagsabi noon, di ba? Parang sinasabi na parang we are spiritual beings daw going through a human experience. But
Mhm.
siguro gagalagyan ko ng konting tweak yon or twist, no? Because syempre some may not be able to relate to a spiritual
Yeah.
being, di ba? But I would just say we are really important. Yun lang, gusto ko ganyan ang gagamitin ko, important and valuable being tayo. That's going through human experience.
Mm,
Kumbaga tayo, 'di ba? Lahat tayo nag-go through and that human experience, yun yung unique for all of us, no? And ito lalo pa tong na-reinforce, no? And hindi again, sasabihin ko, hindi nito sa akin ang galing 100%, 'di ba? Whatever it is that I've heard na nag-resonate ako and I really believe in, I'm trying to also kind of propagate it, no? Parang sasabihin ko din kasi parang nga, no? Parang come to think of it, no? Na dito talaga we are all unique and shaped by our own human experience. Kumbaga, iba-iba, di ba? And if we really, yan, babalik ako doon sa truly believe. If we really truly believe and understand that, then how do we now see the other person? Kasi yun pag talagang pinaniniwalaan ko to, and I also ask that of myself, Makay, kasi not all the time. Lagi kong
correct.
naiintindihan yun. Lalo na pag natitrigger na ako, Makay, di ba,
Yes, yes.
papakatotoo,
Papakatotoo
papakatawa
niya.
ko,
Yeah.
hindi yan default na papasok sa akin, di ba? So I keep again remind myself, di ba? Yan yung parang natutunan ko about human nature na we are all unique. So doon pumapasok ngayon na alam natin lahat coaches to, di ba, na we're coming from a space na walang judgment, wala tayong any parang impression about the person. Kung meron
Assumptions.
man, syempre natural tao yan, di ba? We're suspending all of those
Yeah.
because we just really want to see through the other person, di ba? Na sila talaga parang yung makita talaga natin sino tong tao na to. Yon. So yun. And again, sabi ko nga, part pa rin yan ng walang kamatayang, easier said than done because sabi ko
Yeah.
nga, it really depends also in the time, 'di ba? Pagka may mga certain scenario, situation kang
Yeah.
na pinagdadaanan kasi ikaw din
Correct.
mismo.
Of
'Di ba
course.
pagka in coaching, dalawa naman kayo doon 'di ba? Kahit ikaw yung
Mm.
coach, pareho naman kayong tao. Pareho
Yeah.
naman kayong may human nature, 'di ba?
Yes,
So, kahit
yes.
ikaw, 'di ba, pagka hindi lang dahil sa presence ng client mo, pati yung presence mo Kung yung
Mm.
presence mo may pinagdadaanan ka, then there must be at times, 'di ba, there are things that you may be missing out because you yourself is going through that
Yeah,
human
something.
nature, 'di
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah,
Yeah,
true. So
yun.
what we do is we hold space, no, for them,
Yes.
knowing that each one is unique at a certain time, at a certain place. Ito ngayon, we hold space for them so that they can, you know, reveal and
Yes.
become more aware
Yeah. And we just really meet them where they are
where
at the
they are.
time.
I
Oo.
like that talaga.
Yeah.
Ako every time, meeting people where they are at the time. No
Yes.
assumptions, no judgments, no? Right. So
Yes.
when
Agree.
it comes to being triggered and all of that, how do you prepare? Or what's your if you have a me time?
Ayan,
Yeah.
yan, sige.
Yeah, sige, sige. What's any hobbies you indulge in or
Ayan,
can you describe your me time to us?
yeah. Ang me time ko kasi I would always say, 'di ba, nung naging buzzword yung mindfulness and all,
Yeah.
no? So, I just know for myself that I'm not the type of person that will go into meditation, yan. Kasi nga,
Ah,
kilala ko yung sarili ko, pagka busy brain, sabi nga,
okay.
'di ba, parang mayat-maya may mga thoughts na pumapasok.
Oo,
But what
oo.
I've been practicing, no, every morning na to. And I, pumapasok dito kayo pagiging maximizer ko. I'm doing this walking prayer na sinasabi ko. Kasi nga,
Ayan.
kasi kino-combine ko na. Kasi I want to move, kasi alam ko yan, physically, I
Yes.
need to take care of my health na, no? Not getting any younger. So, sinasabay ko yon. So, para yung walking ko, hindi ka maiinip na, okay, umiikot-ikot lang ako in the same place, di ba? Tapos maiinip ka with the time. So, doon ko na sinasabay. So, my daily prayer, so my rosary, my devotion, yun ay pinapasok ko doon. And malabas siya mga 45 to 60 minutes yan, yung walk ko na yan. And at times, pag talagang gusto ko pang dagdagan, not necessarily additional time, but sinasama ko pa yung dog kasi may dog kami, di ba?
Nice.
Yun din yung
Oo.
ano ko, para bang part of my me time, di ba? I love playing with my dogs. So, minsan sinasama ko sila sa paglalakad ko. So, top of me
Yeah.
praying, umiikot-ikot lang, tapos dala-dala ko sila. Sabi ko, oh, kahit pa paano yung dogs na exercise ko na rin
Yes.
on top na ako na exercise, di ba? So
Correct.
that's my me time. And other than that, my extracurricular Makay, hindi ko nga matandaan Makay ko na-share ko na to sa'yo, but some of the coaches no in ICF, Philippines, and definitely my partner si Haraya, they know no, I'm extracurricular ko, I'm leading pilgrimages. So ito na yon, parang since 2016 to, I got to be exposed no to I was once a pilgrim way back in 2014 and
Yeah.
2017. Then na-open up yung opportunity na pwede kang parang tinatawag na parang tour lead, no? Tour lead of some sort. You get to accompany yung mga pilgrims. So I execute an itinerary designed by the agency, no? Whoever is organizing the pilgrimage. Then I get to accompany the pilgrims. So
So,
yun yung another, in a way, parang me time ko. Yes, it will not be all the time me time because may mga
oh,
pilgrims ka that you need to
yeah.
attend to.
Yeah.
Pero pagka naman resting time na namin and let's say prayer time doon sa pinupuntahan
Oo.
namin mga holy sites, that gets to be my me time as well because I get to journey then spiritually, no?
Yes,
Yun.
correct.
So yun yung mga
So,
aking
ano
me time.
yan? Out of the country or meron din within the country?
May local pero mostly out of the country. So
Okay.
yun yung nangyayari. So mga in the year no para meron at least two. Yung pinakamarami was way back 2025 because Jubilee year yon. So there were four na ano yun out of the country.
So
Yeah.
interesting. I
Yeah.
love that. Sige,
Yeah.
pag na-pursue ko rin ang aking me time, which is
Yes.
to travel, I will get in touch with you for pilgrimage.
Yes. Tapos pag makipag-locally naman, road trip lang. Parang
Yeah,
together with
yeah.
my husband, I love yung road trip tapos maghahanap. Parang food crawl, no? Hanap kami, parang
Correct. Yeah.
ikot-ikot lang kami mga places that we've never been to, no? Locally lang yan, mga kaya lang ng i-drive, no? Yan yung mga part na ng me time ko yan. Yan na yung pockets of rest ko,
Oh,
Makay.
parang what I'm getting is your me time is something that you like to do really. Kasi,
Yes.
oo, you like to do kahit alam mong parang trabaho siya. Kasi you're planning itinerary and all, but it's something that you really like. So it's not like work. It's
Yes.
coming
Oo.
out from you, yung naturalesa mo, your DNA. 'Di ba? Yeah, nice.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so we come now to our 3 and 1. Okay. I will ask you one question, you give me three answers. So,
Sure.
yeah,
Sige.
yeah.
Para
So,
bang ano to parang feeling ko ikaw ba si Girl Abunda, Makay? Joke lang.
sige, let's see. You mentioned something kasi about work kanina. So, and and living people and all of that, no? So, what are the values? Give me three um work values or even life that are for you are non-negotiable.
Ayan, sa akin talaga it's more of life, no? Kasi nga I think applicable siya. Siyempre number one yung faith, hindi yan
Okay.
and definitely I'm a work in progress on that one pero hindi mawawala yan. Next would be family. Hindi matatawaran yun, di ba? And last would be service. Kaya ngayon sinasabi ko na in whatever way I can help, I can serve, be it, informal organizations like ICF
Mhm.
or, outside na on yung personal ko, no? So, kasi parang naisip ko talaga, it's not, when you talk about purpose kasi Makay, it's beyond you no? It's not just really
Yes.
about you. So parang sabi ko nga, in whatever way I can, that I will be able to help and serve other people, no?
Yeah. Minsan nga kahit gusto mo, I want to serve, pero parang hindi siya umuukol. Alam mo 'yon? Minsan
Mm-hmm.
may mga instances na, is this really what I'm supposed to be doing? I mean, you think that you like to serve, but maybe there's something else that you, 'di ba? You have to do. All right. So thank you for that. Now, for our last question. Since you were a past president of
Mm.
the Philippines chapter of the ICF, my question is, if your presidency would be compared to coaching, what's an aha moment that made you realize the value of leadership or what leadership is?
I think, oh, parang biglang napaisip, no? Ano yung, parang in relation to coaching, you mean, Makay? Para bigla akong gusto ko lang
Leadership
i-clarify
siguro.
yung question.
Leadership siguro tayo. Because,
Okay, leadership.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Siguro ako, papasok ako dun sa ano eh. And again, this is in the context of the past president and ICF, di ba? Kasi nga, it's a volunteer organization,
Or-
Makay, no?
Yep.
Kaya sa akin, more of ano eh, parang it will just boil down to, sa akin, malaking bagay yung commitment, no?
Ah,
Now,
okay.
when you say parang you will really serve, you will really volunteer, then make time for it, no? So sa akin, yun yung something, no, na para sa akin, parang tumatak sa akin, and this is something that I also share, no, with other
Yeah.
leaders within ICF Philippines, na sinasabi ko nga na kailangan talaga ng commitment, no?
Mm.
Then, when you talk about leadership naman in terms of, kasi ito i-share ko din, Makay, no, more of balik to sa ano eh, I'm not sure kung related to sa coaching, pero balik to sa being, no? So
Ah,
papasok lang talaga dito who we are as a person, di ba?
mm.
Parang kailangan that's clear dapat muna sa sarili natin who we are as a person.
Self-aware.
Oo, kasi that will come out to be, di ba, the way you will also lead. Yun naman yung perspective ko doon. And this is something na na-influence ako. Hindi ko sinasabing, again, this is my original, no? Para sabi ko
Yeah.
nga, parang naging ano ko na to, parang grew with the season na. And at the same time, na-reinforce pa, di ba, with my, and that's why I'm very thankful, no, do sa mga partners ko in Haraya, because a lot of the things that I'm realizing or I've
Mhm.
realized or yung nai-inculcate sa akin is,
Mhm.
ano eh, parang it's really co-created ng team. It's not just
Mm-mm.
one person, but, co-created ng team. And
Yeah.
yung the leadership that we are, even the leadership program na meron kami, Makay, we are really focusing first on the person.
Yeah.
Balik
Okay.
balik muna do sa pinaka-basic, and the thing that I would always say, no, sabi ko nga, titles will come and go, position will come and go, whether you are in a volunteer organization or in a formal corporate, di ba? But at the end of the day, di ba, what remains constant is the person, di ba? So
Yes.
sino ka ba muna as a person,
Correct.
yung di ba? Kasi yun yung magta-translate, di ba? Kahit saan ka pa mag-land, di ba, na work or
Yeah.
volunteer, di ba?
Whatever
Yun.
industry or
Yes.
title that yours will given
Yes.
to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we go
Yun.
back to the authentic.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your sharing, Coach Leia.
Yes. And thank you, Makay, for the
Yes.
time. I
Yeah, of
appreciate.
course. I learned a lot. I didn't know that you did something for yung me time mo, pilgrim and all of that. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Do you have any social media where people can get in touch with you?
Ayan, they can go to harayacoaching.com.
Okay.
Makikita nila yan, di ba? And
Mm-mm.
of course, I'm also in LinkedIn, Maria
Mm-mm.
Lea Unson. Then pag mga social natin, FB, alam mo naman ang generation natin, Makay. Dinamay na kita, no? Sorry, Makay, di ba? Pang FB, kasi yung mga younger generation, they will be in all other platform
Yeah,
na
yeah.
hindi na ako makarelate, no?
True. You're not alone. Classmates.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you again for your time and for trusting this podcast to help people know what is it that we do in coaching and how else we can help other people who want personal growth and to really know who they are so that they can become better versions of themselves.
Yes. And
Thank
taking this
you.
opportunity then, Makay, I would like to thank, diba, to give back the thank you to you because of the service that you're doing now for ICF Philippines. Salamat.
I'm with you. I'm with you in that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
See
you.
you around. See you around, Leah.
Yes.
Thank you for tuning in and watching this episode of House Life Coach. We hope that our conversation with Coach Leah Ongson sparked fresh insights, good energy, and meaningful takeaways that you can bring with you in your own life and work. If this episode inspired you, made you think, or reminded you of someone who needs to hear this, please go ahead and share it with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family, or to anyone who is curious about coaching and personal growth. Don't forget, follow, like, and share House Life Coach for more real conversations with coaches who inspire growth, clarity, and courage. I'm your host, Coach Makay Quadra, and this is House Life Coach, moving hearts with you.